Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fluent English Podcast. I'm Grace.
And I'm Liam. Today we're diving into something fun. Tongue twisters.
Tongue twisters are short phrases that are hard to say quickly because they use similar sounds again and again.
They twist your tongue, but they help your mouth move faster and clearer.
Exactly. Practicing tongue twisters improves your pronunciation, listening, and speaking speed, especially if English isn't your first language.
We'll practice 5 tongue twisters today. Challenge your tongue and tickle your brain with English tongue twisters.
We'll say each one slowly, explain the tricky sounds, then try it faster together. Ready to twist your tongue?
Let's go.
Our first one, she sells seashells by the seashore. Listen carefully. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Focus on the SH and S sounds.
Right. For the S sound, the tip of your tongue is close to the ridge just behind your upper front teeth, but not touching it. Keep your lips relaxed and slightly open.
For the SH sound, the tongue moves a little farther back in the mouth. Round your lips, slightly forward. Good. Let's say it together. She sells seashells by the seashore. And one more time. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Nice. You can really feel your tongue working on that one. Okay, now we've got one that tests your R and L sounds.
Yes. Our next one is red lorry, yellow lorry. This one helps you practice moving quickly between R and L.
English learners often mix these sounds, so it's great training. For the R sound, the tongue does not touch the top of your mouth. Curl the tip of your tongue slightly upward and back, toward the roof of your mouth, but keep a small space between the tongue and the top.
For the L sound, the tip of your tongue touches the ridge just behind your upper front teeth.
Let's try slowly. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Now shadow with me. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Repeat after me. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
That's a tongue workout. Let's go to our next one. Fred fed Ted bread and Ted fed Fred bread. This one plays with short E sounds.
Oh boy. Fred and Ted sound like they're very generous with their bread.
Yes. Let's say it slowly. Fred fed Ted bread and Ted fed Fred bread.
Repeat after me. Fred fed Ted bread and Ted fed Fred bread.
Good job. One more time. Fred fed Ted bread and Ted fed Fred bread. Perfect. Are you having fun with it? It's like a mini gym session for your speech. Tongue twisters can be tricky, but they're a fun way to train your mouth and brain at the same time.
Now, take a deep breath, relax your jaw, and get ready for the next round of tongue training.
But before that, if you are enjoying this podcast, please take a moment to give it a like, and please subscribe to support our channel. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? This tongue twister is a fun and challenging one. It's tricky. Listen first. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
The phrase itself paints a silly picture, a clam trying to fit into a can of cream.
That playful image helps you remember the rhythm and makes practice more enjoyable.
It's designed to test how quickly and clearly you can move your tongue between the front and back of your mouth.
Exactly. Focus on your tongue touching lightly behind your teeth for CL and rolling forward for CR. Let's say it slowly together. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Now faster. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? One more time. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
Whoa, my brain gave up before my tongue did. Now, for a classic challenge. This one focuses on the P sound. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Remember to keep your lips tight for the P sound and release a small puff of air each time. Don't let the words blur together. Keep them crisp and bouncy. Now say it with energy. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A little faster. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Your turn.
This one helps you warm up your lips before speaking or singing.
So next time you want to sound clearer in English, try saying this 5 times fast, if you dare.
Great job today, everyone. You just practiced 5 tongue twisters.
Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect. It's to train your mouth and build confidence in English pronunciation.
Exactly. Practice them slowly first, then try faster when you're ready.
And if your tongue gets tired, that means you're learning.
Yeah, they twist your tongue, but in a good way. They help you improve your pronunciation and fluency.
So they're not just silly phrases. They're actually a great speaking exercise. Keep practicing these tongue twisters every day. Try recording yourself, listen back, and see how much clearer you sound over time.
If you enjoyed today's episode, follow us for more fun English practice.